Hi, I'm so glad you're watching this video because you're ready to become the best version of yourself and you're ready to start incorporating healthy habits into your lifestyle. My name is Elisiwe if you're new here, and on this channel, I create lifestyle content and sometimes self help content. And we're just trying to be the best version of ourselves in this place too. Subscribe and like this video, give it a thumbs up so you can continue to see my face and see my content. So let's get into it. These are a few habits that I've started practicing that I know will make my life better in 2024, and I think you should too. A great philosopher, I don't know who said, probably a Nigerian, I don't know because I hear it a lot in school, when I was in primary, secondary, and university. A great philosopher said, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Another one that I know says a goal without a plan is just a wish. Planning your day a night before can seem like such a stressful thing to do, but it's actually really easy and actually helps you. It's almost like giving your life tomorrow a template, a guide on how it should look. It also helps you like build excitement and anticipate things. You can plan your outfit for the next day. You can plan what you're going to eat, your meal prep. You can plan the bus routes that you're going to take. You can plan your travel, like how you want to what way you want to pass, that kind of thing. You can plan it a night before. It seems daunting now that I'm saying it, but every night before you go to bed, you can just, if it's too much of a hassle to write it down, you can just think about it that okay, tomorrow I'm going to wear this black top, I'm going to wear this cargo jeans, and I'm going to wear sneakers. I think it's going to look cool. You can have a backup alternative so that you don't waste it. It makes you more efficient the next day. If you don't do that, the alternative will be like tomorrow morning you're bringing out different things from your closet, you're looking for what to wear the next day. That has already taken an amount of time that could have been avoided if you had planned your day the night before. You're thinking about what to eat. But if you are meal preps, you probably know that, oh, you have to maybe marinate this chicken, or you have to like put oats in the fridge or something for the next day. So you are that even helps you stay healthy, because sometimes when you don't plan your meals, it makes you just want to buy whatever is available, and whatever is available most times is not healthy. So planning your day a night before helps you. It helps you tons. If you're tired of living your life aimlessly and just doing whatever like you like and hopping from social media to the next social media app, planning your day in night before will help you be more efficient. You even look like the next day. If you're someone that you're always complaining of, you don't have enough time in the day to accomplish things or to do stuff. When you plan your day in nights before, you see that you have things to do. This means that as soon as you wake up, kickstart your brain to start functioning. Don't waste time. Don't scroll on social media. Don't just lie there and let your brain boot and load. No, don't do that. Years of conditioning your brain the wrong way has made it so lazy in the morning, so lazy and inefficient. Sometimes, if you're somebody like you wake up early in the morning and your brain is like a mess, is in a fog, it's because you have allowed years and years of, oh, God, it's another day that has already created like my brain your brain does not know what it's doing early in the morning. It's because you are allowing it has already rested in the night and you're just allowing it to rest even more. Kickstart your brain, like literally wake up and just start. You need to have a great morning routine. There are tons of videos. I haven't made one, but there are tons of videos on how to have like a morning routine and what kind of morning routine to have. A morning routine will do wonders in your life. If you have watched any of my videos, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned like a couple of times, more than a couple of times, the importance of having a routine and how it can create like a sense of functionality in your psyche. If you just have something that you are always doing that has like just a routine, especially in the mornings, is a great way to start your day. In fact, if you incorporate having morning routines this year, you'd see changes. In my mind, you're already elevated if you have a morning routine. This could even help with the previous point. Like if you have a morning routine, if you have things that you have to do in the morning, like it's set time by from this time to this time, I have to do my morning skincare routine. If from this time to that I have to exercise, it will help you with the previous points where I say you have to wake up and jump start. Like you are not just lying down in bed looking like, oh, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Because you have things to do. You literally have a routine. If you don't have a routine, that's when you can dilly and dally on the bed, wasting time. But if you have something that you're going to do, if you have a routine, if you have a set of rules that you're supposed to follow, you're definitely going to do it. You're definitely going to stand up and be efficient that day. Some examples of things that you can incorporate into your routine are like maybe getting up early, um, drinking water as soon as you wake up, meditating or praying if that's you, or journaling if that's you, doing exercise, creating allotted times for like morning exercise like stretches, yoga, a few sit-ups here and there, or going to the gym if that's part of your lifestyle accommodates that. Doing your morning skincare routine. If you know you have to do those things, maybe if you have work or like you have to go somewhere, if you know you have to do those things before your outing or before your work time, you get up early and you stop wasting time. And already, if you can picture what I'm saying, your day is already starting great. You're already being efficient. The 5 second rule helps you condition your brain for action. How it works is like if you have something to do, and maybe, what can I use? Maybe I want to microwave my food so I can eat and then do my work, but I'm on my phone scrolling on social media or playing a mobile video game. What I do is that I know I have to do this because by 10 o'clock I have a deadline or something. I count one or five, four, three, two, one. And then immediately I say one, I stand up. Or one, two, three, four, five. And immediately I say five, I stand up. If you sometimes I've heard people say that that doesn't really work for them, but if you do it enough times, like if it's part of you, it will start working. Because a lot of these habits take time to form. You don't form a habit from just doing it once and forgetting it. No, you have to continue doing it. Like practice will make perfect. Our brains are really rotten right now. I don't even know what's going on in this era, our social media era, but our brains are really rotten right now. If you have a smartphone, you can check how much screen time you average every week or every day, and you see how much time you're spending on social media. I wonder what we used to do before social media. But literally, go out and touch grass. Literally. Walking helps you with so much. Like I don't want to get into the um hormones you release or the kind of the what's it called? The healthy benefits of walking, but there are so many benefits of walking and just exercising your legs and using your legs. I started walking because I feel like one, it's healthy, is a good way like to keep being fit. Two, I'm not using my phone when I'm walking, and I always try to limit my screen time because when I'm walking, I'm not doing that. Like when I'm walking, I'm not doing that. So that's another benefit for me. Also, it helps me clear my mind. It's a great way to clear my mind, and also it's not a bad habit. Like anything that's not a bad habit is a good habit. So this can really, really help your hygiene if you try to do it every day of the year, or if you're not as consistent. But because it's a habit that we're trying to form, try to do it almost every day. Take 10 minutes out of your time to try to clean an area in your house or in your space. If it's your work desk, try to like tidy it up. Just take a few minutes out of your day to do that. That kind of habit, that cleanliness habit, is a great thing to have, and it will help all my disorganized girlies. Just like me, I am not organized at all. I'm one of those people that I could be living in a pigsty, but I know that my handbag is there upside down in that place. I know that my my makeup, my lipstick is somewhere. Like I know where they're not in the right places, but I know where they are. And so cleaning and organizing your space every day for like just taking 10 minutes out of your day to do that will help you. It will cultivate the habit of being clean and tidy and orderly, and being clean, tidy and orderly is a great habit to have. This also goes back to the social media era that we are in. I feel like we need to bring back community. We really need to bring back community. Try to communicate with a friend at least every week. Let me not say every day. I was going to say every day, but let's say every week because we have busy lives now. I don't know what we're doing, but we have busy lives now. And I say this because we don't invest. I've noticed that we don't invest as much as we should in the friendships that we have, and we should be doing that. So, in this 2024, take time out of your day, not to text, not to chat, well, like, not that. Call your friend up. Like, you guys should just gist, ask how they are doing, know what's up in their life. Like, that kind of habit will cultivate and create a system of community. I'm of the opinion that everybody needs somebody in this life, and if you can do life with a particular set of people, you are winning. Those are the things that our parents used to have back then that we don't have now. Imagine not knowing your neighbors. Imagine not hanging out with your friends as much. Imagine not discussing things that will actually have impact in your future. Like community is a lost art. It's something that is a dying breed. Forgive my adjectives, but community is gone in our era. And I just feel like if you include these kinds of habits in 2024, we might be able to bring it back. It's my own campaign for bringing back community. Guys, it is so important to consume positive content. Whatever you consume, like whatever you take in, is what comes out. So try as much as possible to always consume positive content. Follow creators that you know align with your interests, align with your values. And I hope that your values are the right ones. Well, I trust that your values are the right ones. But follow creators, follow content creators. I just did a video about kind of people on YouTube that you should be following. Pick your social media platform. Don't spend hours and hours on a platform that you know you will not be able to get out of and you will not even get anything of value from. If you are always on a platform that there's always bad news, there's always terrible news there, that's not going to help your mental health. That's not going to help your worldview. It's not going to help your outlook in life. So surround yourself with positive content. That is an essential part of being the Lulu. And being the Lulu will take you places. The last one for me today is that you need to go out more, plan dates, plan brunch dates with your friends, plan exhibitions. And if you're someone that doesn't really have friends, you don't have like a huge community like that, you can start by going out by yourself. Solo dates are kind of hard, but I swear to God, they're fun because especially if you like yourself, you get to know yourself and spend time with yourself a lot more. I love solo dates because it's like me and me are going out. So it's just so cute. So spend a lot of time with yourself, try to get to know yourself. If it like art exhibitions always happen in Lagos, and I'm pretty sure art exhibitions happen wherever you are that you're watching to. So those kind of things, go for lunch on your own bill by your own self. It won't hurt, I swear to God. So so these are the kind of habits I feel like we should be inculcating in our daily routines, in our lives this year. And I feel like if we continue to do this consistently, we'll see positive change in our life this year. I wish you all the best of luck. I'll see you again next weekend. Bye.